Today I'll be showing you an option strategy that you can apply to a stock that you think moves pretty volatile. So for this example, I'll be showing you on Zynga. And like I said, you're going to want to apply this to any stock that you know that's going to move pretty volatile. It can move up or down. As long as it doesn't stay stagnant, then you'll make money both ways. So for this example, what we're going to do first is we're going to find the price that we want Zynga to get off of. So like I said, we're going to do it right at the share price. So that way, as long as it moves up or down, we'll be in the green. So we're going to buy a put right underneath the share price right here at the $8 strike price. And then what we're going to do next is we're going to buy a call one above at the $8.50 strike price. And then that way it just straddles the share price line, the share price. So as long as it moves just away from this, as you can see, in any direction, we'll be in the profits. So as we can see, actually, we're going to switch this up a little bit. So let's choose the expiration date a little bit further away so that we give it some more time to move around. So I'm filming this on the 7th, so this way it gives us about a little under 2 weeks to move off of this price right here. So that way we have more time to get it to go either up or down. As long as it's a volatile stock, you should be just fine. So we're going to buy a put. Like I said, we're going to buy it right below the share price. And then we're going to buy a call right above the share price. So now you can see it's the same looking setup. As long as it, like I said, you just want it to move. So as long as it's not in the middle right here, in this red, you'll be good. So if it sinks a lot, you'll be good. And if it rises a lot, you'll be good. You can see right here, as long as it's going up in this profit zone, you can see the profits and how much that'll affect it right there. And then you can see when it sinks, you can watch how much profit. So your max profit is unlimited. So if something crazy happens and Zynga just skyrockets through the roof, you'll be in the green by a decent amount. If something happens and Zynga collapses, you can also see you'll be in the green a lot on this side as well. Your max loss is limited at $36, which is what we'd like to see. So we're going to come over here, we're going to come to option strat where we can visualize this trade a little bit better. So we're going to come over here to build, and this is called a strangle strategy. You always want to apply this strategy on a directional stock, meaning it's volatile and it moves up and down a lot. So all we're going to do is we're going to just copy all these things, this setup and then the expiration date, onto option strat. First things first, we're going to apply the ticker symbol, which is ZNGA for our stock that we chose for this example. We're going to click on May 20th because that's the expiration date that we chose. All we're going to do now is copy this little chart right here. We're going to move it over to option strat. And also, you should be able to see long strangle right here. So if you set it up and it doesn't say that, then you probably did it incorrectly. And yeah, you can just switch that around and it should be pretty simple to do because there's only two pieces to this. But like I said, we're going to copy this over there. And so first things first, we're going to do our $8 put. So right here, P is in puts, $8. And then we bought the call at 8.5, C for call, 8.5. There we go. So now we can visualize. Let's move this chart range around a little bit so we can visualize this a little bit better. So yeah, as long as it goes up or down, we'll be able to see the profits here. And you can also see what happens when you mess around with the implied volatility if you want to look at it that way. But for right now, we'll just reset it to what it is at. And so yeah, so you can see right here on this left side, you can see where the price of Zynga has to be, at what time and what day of the week to see what profit you will get. And I think that's a really cool thing to look at. It's an extremely accurate way to look at it because if you come over here to Robinhood, obviously it doesn't show you very much at all. You can't really get any visualization as to what's going to happen. So we'll come over here to Zynga, and you can see, like I said, where the price has to be at, what day of the week for your trade, your option strategy to look at this. And I always recommend coming into option strat before you put a strategy into place. Yeah, but to do with strategies, if you're looking for other strategies to apply, check out my channel. I have other videos on there. And if you're into this type of thing, I post videos like this all the time. And yeah, subscribe to my channel for these types of more videos like this. If you have any questions, be sure to comment them down below, and I'll be sure to answer all of them. And yeah, thank you for watching.